Last night I got a text that stopped me in my tracks. A dear friend of mine, let's call her Maya. She texted me to let me know that she just had a mini stroke. She asked me to pray for her, and my heart just sank. Maya is younger than me by about 10 years or more, probably in her mid-50s or early 50s, and hearing this news shook me to my core. I immediately sent her a voice message telling her how shocked I was and that she needs to take care of her health, and that I was going to create this video, not just for her, but for anyone who's experiencing this or wants to prevent it from happening in the first place. Maya, if you're watching, I want you to know that you're not alone in this journey, and I'm going to share everything that I've researched to help you and everyone else understand what's happening to your body and what to do about it. So today, we're going to talk about mini strokes. And I'm going to break this down in the simplest way possible. Because when it comes to your health, you need to understand what's happening in your body, what the warning signs are, and what you can do naturally to support your recovery and prevent this from happening again. Before we dive in, let me be clear about something. I am not a doctor. I'm a regular person who has spent 3 decades researching natural remedies and using them to heal myself. 4 years ago, I was diagnosed with diabetes. And at the time, I had an A1C of 13.0. Within 6 months, using natural methods and remedies, I brought that down to 5.5. My doctor was shocked and told me whatever I was doing, I should keep on doing it. She immediately took me off the insulin and reduced my metformin dosage. Part of my success was using natural remedies, which I discuss in other videos on my channel. You can go watch my playlist to learn my story. I'm turning 65 in just a few weeks, and I can honestly say I'm relatively healthy because I've committed myself to taking care of my body naturally. I take supplements like magnesium, black seed oil, sea moss, burdock root, moringa, turmeric, and ginger, among others, to keep myself healthy. But everything I share with you today is for educational purposes. Always consult with your healthcare provider, especially with something as serious as a stroke. Now let's talk about what a mini stroke actually is. The medical term is TIA, which stands for Transient Ischemic Attack. I know that sounds complicated, so let me break it down in plain English. A mini stroke happens when the blood flow to part of your brain gets blocked temporarily. Think of it like a traffic jam in your brain's highways. The blood, which carries oxygen and nutrients your brain needs, can't get through for a few minutes. Then the blockage clears and blood flow returns to normal. Here's why it's called a mini stroke. The symptoms usually only last a few minutes to a few hours, and then they go away. That's the tricky part, because the symptoms disappear. Because the symptoms disappear, a lot of people brush it off. They think, oh, I'm fine now, it was nothing, but that's dangerous. A mini stroke is your body's loudest alarm bell. It's warning you that a major stroke could be coming if you don't take action right now. I'm talking to you, Maya. Let me give you the warning signs you need to watch for. And I want you to remember this acronym, FAST, FAST. It stands for face, arms, speech, and time. Let's address each of them. For your face, does one side of your face droop when you try to smile? If you look into the mirror and one side of your mouth isn't moving right, that's a red flag. For your arms, can you raise both of them evenly? If one arm drifts downward or feels weak, pay attention. For your speech, is it slurred? Are you having trouble finding the right words or speaking clearly? And for time, if you notice any of these signs, it's time to take action. Time is critical. Call 911 immediately. Don't wait to see if it gets better. Other symptoms can include sudden confusion, trouble seeing in one or both eyes, dizziness, loss of balance, or a sudden severe headache with no known cause. Even if these symptoms go away quickly, you need to get to a hospital. Doctors need to run tests to figure out what caused it and prevent a full stroke from happening. Now, why do mini strokes happen? You might be asking. There are several reasons, and understanding them helps you know what you can change about your habits. The most common cause is a blood clot. This clot can form because of high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, smoking, or being overweight. Sometimes it's a piece of plaque, basically hardened fat and cholesterol that breaks off from an artery wall and travels to your brain. Other risk factors include an irregular heartbeat called atrial fibrillation. Family history of strokes could be another, and simply getting older. After age 55, your risk goes up every year. Here's what I want you to understand. Your body doesn't just break down randomly. These things happen because of years of stress, poor diet, lack of movement, inflammation, and not giving your body the nutrients it needs to repair itself. The good news is that you have power over many of these factors. You can make changes starting today. Now let's talk about what you need to do immediately if you or someone you love has a mini stroke. First, as I said before, get medical attention right away. The doctors will likely do a CT scan or MRI to look at your brain, check your blood pressure, run blood tests, and maybe do an ultrasound of your neck arteries to see if there's any blockage. They might prescribe blood thinners or other medications to prevent clots. Follow your doctor's advice. Please follow it carefully. This is not the time to skip medication if it's prescribed. But here's where natural healing comes in as a powerful support system alongside your medical treatment. Your body needs help to heal. Reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and prevent another episode. And that's where the natural remedies that I've been using for over 30 years can make a real difference. I hope you're getting value from this video so far. I hope so. If so, please hit that like button to show some love and support so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video for others to get the help that they need. Thanks in advance for doing so. Now let's continue because Let me now share some of the most powerful natural approaches for stroke recovery and prevention. First, you need to focus on reducing inflammation. Inflammation is like a fire burning inside your blood vessels, making them stiff and narrow. Turmeric is one of the best anti-inflammatory herbs on the planet. The active compound in it, which is called curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. You can take turmeric supplements or make a daily turmeric tea with a little black pepper in it, which makes it more powerful. It helps your body absorb it better. Ginger is another powerhouse. It helps to thin the blood naturally without prescribed medication. It also reduces inflammation and improves circulation. I drink ginger tea almost every single day. You can grate fresh ginger into hot water and let it sit for a while. Add a little honey and drink it warm. Garlic is a must. Raw garlic helps lower blood pressure. It reduces cholesterol and prevents blood clots from forming. If you can handle it, because I know it tastes funny, chop up a clove of raw garlic, let it sit for about 10 minutes to activate its beneficial compounds, and then you swallow it with water. If raw garlic is too strong for you, garlic supplements work just as well. Omega-3 fatty acids are critical for brain health and circulation. I take those as supplements, but you can get those from fatty fish like salmon and sardines, or you can take fish oil or algae-based omega-3 supplements if you're plant-based. Omega-3 helps reduce inflammation and it keeps your blood vessels flexible. Hibiscus tea is another gem. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea daily can lower blood pressure naturally. High blood pressure is one of the biggest risk factors for strokes, so getting that under control is so essential. Magnesium is something that I take every single day, and I recommend it to everyone. Magnesium helps to relax your blood vessels, it lowers blood pressure, and it supports your heart and your nervous system. A lot of people are deficient in magnesium without even realizing it or knowing it. You can take it as a supplement. Magnesium glycinate is a good form that's easy to digest, easy on your stomach. I take it as a liquid drop in my water every day. Now let's talk about food. What you eat can either heal you or harm you. After a mini stroke, you need to eat in a way that supports your blood vessels and your brain. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. Cut out or drastically reduce processed foods, sugary snacks, fried foods, and excess salt. These things clog your arteries and raise your blood sugar. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with nutrients that support circulation. Berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, are rich in antioxidants that protect your brain cells. Beets or beetroot are amazing for circulation because they help your body produce nitric oxide, which widens your blood vessel and improves the blood flow to your brain. Stress is a silent killer. And if you have had a mini stroke, managing stress is non-negotiable. Chronic stress raises your blood pressure. It increases inflammation and it puts strain on your heart and your blood vessels. You need to find ways to calm your nervous system every single day. This could be prayer, meditation, deep breathing exercises, gentle yoga, writing in your journal, or simply spending time in nature. Find what works for you and make it a daily habit. No excuses. I'm not talking about intense workouts here. I'm talking about something simple like a 10-minute walk. After that mini stroke, you need gentle, consistent movement. Walking is one of the best things you can do. So I said, start with a 10 to 15 minutes walk each day and gradually build up. Movement improves circulation, it strengthens your heart, and it helps you maintain a healthy weight and reduces stress. Sleep is where your body does most of its healing. If you're not getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night, your body cannot repair itself properly. Make sleep a priority. Turn off your phone or put it on vibrate and turn off the television an hour before bedtime. Keep your room cool and dark or use a nightlight and create a calming bedtime routine. Now I want to take a moment to speak directly to my friend. Girl, I know this has been scary for you. I know you're probably worried about what this means for your future, but I want you to hear me when I say this. Your body is resilient. You have the power to heal and to prevent this from happening again. It's going to take commitment and it's going to take some lifestyle changes. But you can do this. I know you can. And with my support, you're going to have to. I promise you that. And just know that I'm here cheering you on every step of the way. Start with small changes. Add some healing teas to your day. Take a walk, eat more vegetables, and manage your stress and get enough sleep. You don't have to do everything at once. All you have to do is just start. Before I wrap up, I want to share something with you that can be a game changer in your healing journey. I've created a comprehensive ebook called The Healing Blueprint After 40 Using Natural Remedies. It's a 150-page, 35-chapter natural health transformation plan, specifically designed for women and men over 40. Inside this ebook, I dive deep into supporting your circulation, reducing inflammation, maintaining prostate health and cholesterol, managing blood sugar, balancing hormones, and using natural remedies like the ones I've mentioned today. Turmeric, ginger, moringa, black seed oil, dandelion, sea moss, burdock root, and so many more. This isn't just a list of herbs in this ebook. It's a full healing system that helps you understand why your body changes after 40 and gives you step-by-step remedies, natural remedies, and routines to restore balance in your body. If you or someone you love has had a mini stroke, or if you're concerned about your risk of having one, this book will give you the tools to take control of your health today. Plus, when you get the ebook, you also receive 2 free guides. One on what to do in the first 30 days after type 2 diabetes diagnosis, and another one on how to flush toxins, balance blood sugar, whether you have diabetes or not, because high blood sugar affects your entire body. I want you to reclaim your health and your energy back to natural. You can grab the ebook for just $27 using the first link in the description below this video. Let me give you a quick action plan to wrap this up real quick. First, if you are someone who you know has symptoms of a mini stroke, call 911 immediately, or just go directly to the emergency room if you can. Time is everything. Second, follow your doctor's treatment plan and take any prescribed medications. Third, start incorporating the natural remedies we talked about today: turmeric, ginger, garlic, omega-3s, hibiscus tea, magnesium, and others into your daily life. Fourth, clean up your diet and focus on whole, healing foods. Fifth, manage your stress and prioritize sleep. And sixth, move your body gently and consistently every single day. Start with walking. You're not powerless in this. A mini stroke is a signal that you need to pay attention to your health. That's all it is. Your body wants to heal, and you can support it every single step of the way. If this video helped you in any way, or if you have experienced a mini stroke yourself, please share your story in the comments section below if you're that brave. Let's support each other though, and learn from each other's journey. And if you found this information valuable, as I mentioned before, please share this video with someone who needs to hear it. You might just save someone's life. And make sure you subscribe to Nature's Healing Corners channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos where I will continue to share natural healing strategies that actually work. And don't forget to grab the Healing Blueprint After 40 from the link below in the description. Your health is worth investing in. Take care of yourself now, one day at a time. Your body is counting on you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.